Hey there, I'm Blaze, and in this video, I am going to be showing you how to sound design a ARP like Oliver Huntemann. Before moving ahead, I want to tell you guys that this sound comes from my Afterlife-style melodic techno sound bank for Diva. Check the description box to know more. To begin with, we will only use one VCO with a saw wavetable. Next, under the mixer, reduce the feedback and add a bit of pink noise. Next, under the filter, increase envelope to mix, which we will modify later. Also select 24 decibels. Next, select analog envelope for both the envelope and use these settings. And increase velocity for envelope 2. Add a plate reverb. Next, under ARP, select up plus down 1, and under octaves, select 3. Also under restart, select 6, and under progression, select repeat. Next, under clock, select 1/16,